What's up? So I've been wanting to do this since really long time, but I think I just didn't have the courage. And the reason why am I doing this is because I think it's really important. I saw someone's story about Sushant Singh Rajput. I was not shocked to see the story, to be honest, but I was speechless. I was really speechless because trust me, it could be anyone, and it's really important to talk about your mental health. And I didn't want to come live, and I didn't want to do this, to be honest, but I just I just couldn't control because I remember in 2019 I was in major depression, and I never spoke about it. and and a lot of people thought that it's okay to be depressed, and people take it so lightly. People don't treat mental health. People don't act kind towards each other. It's just really sad. I'm 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 out of words. Today it's Sushant, and tomorrow it could be anyone. So I just want everyone to speak about their mental health issues, and because trust me, it's a serious thing. Last year, I swear on God, I was in a relationship with a guy, and things didn't work out with him, and we decided to part ways. And just because I wasn't strong enough to accept the fact that we were not together anymore, so I decided to part ways, and that left me hollow. That left me like it was the end of my world. And trust me, I was at a point where I tried taking my life, and but something kept fighting from inside of me. And I remember I googled that how to not commit suicide. I literally googled this last year, and then suddenly I found this therapist number, Pal therapist. I gave him a call instantly. I told him anything, that listen, I don't want to die. I remember I was crying, and I told him I don't want to die. And I kept crying for half an hour. ये सुसाइड करना कोई एक सेकंड का खेल नहीं होता है कि हाँ अभी मैंने बिल्डअप हो रहा होता है यार. इंसान अंदर से खत्म हो रहा होता है. इट्स लाइक कि उसको कोई समझ ही नहीं पाता. ट्रस्ट मी, समटाइम्स कुछ पेरेंट्स भी ऐसे होते हैं जब पेरेंट्स को पता ही नहीं है कि डिप्रेशन भी एक मेंटल हेल्थ इशू है. एंड वी शुड टॉक अबाउट इट. नो वन अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट. So it's really important that we need to talk. If you really love someone, if you really care for someone, and if you think that you really want that person to be with you, speak about it. Talk about it. Do not leave your friends. Do not make. If your friend wants to cry about her ex-lover or his ex-lover, then please listen about it, even if they want to sing the same story over 5 times, 6 times, because they're just trying to get over it. Trust me.